It's my pleasure to introduce you all to Jorge Barrero, a concept artist based in Madrid, Spain.
Hi. I've been freelancing for many big companies. I have a lot of stuff I don't like. If you're very proud of your image, I think you have reached the top of your skills.
So let's bring on the randomizer challenge.
It's a bit crazy. Composition is the most important thing. So this is a tutorial I wanted to show to the people how to create a nice composition. I have done a mix of everything, not just painting, but I use 3D. I'm trying to focus in my work not only in environment design, but I'm trying to focus a little bit more on cinematic.